Hey, I'm Bhaskar Chaudhary. I'm the product manager of Mobiquity Wallet. So Mobiquity Wallet is one of the products of Mobile Financial Solutions division of Mahindra Comviva. So Mahindra Comviva is a payment, commerce and data company that is more than 1.5 decades old. It has presence in 90 plus countries and is currently serving more than 1 billion customers. So I'm a part of Mobile Financial Solutions, that is one of the divisions within Mahindra Comviva. We have upwards of 120 plus deployments, and as we speak, our products touch the lives of more than 750 million plus customers. The domain that Mahindra Comviva is in, specifically with respect to payments, standardization helps us meet the standards and the expectations of our potential customers, and standards help us be compatible to those expectations, to those interoperable scenarios. So within mobile payments, if you see, we have to deal a lot with cards that are backed by schemes. So we have to be compliant to the requirements of these schemes. The standards, be it on Java card applets or be it on the security side. So these are some of the specifications provided by global platform, using which we strive to be compliant to the standards. So what we have done here is that we have combined or brought together multiple technologies to develop one use case that is showcasing the power of commerce and payments coming together. So we are making use of contactless NFC as well as Bluetooth Low Energy. So what we are saying here is that we would do context-based couponing using Bluetooth Low Energy. So when we say context-based couponing, the coupon would be sent to you depending upon where you are, who you are, and what are your preferences. Once you receive this coupon, you can do the payments as well as coupon in one shot using your mobile phone. So here the technology that is coming into picture is near field communication. So when we are using NFC here, so if it is a secure element based model, the applets that are being used for payments are developed on GP, Global Platform specifications. And if we are using host card emulation, wherein the credentials are in the cloud and we are putting tokens on the phone, so here the card personalization and lot of modules and elements on our cloud has been developed keeping in mind the global platform specifications that were written for trusted service managers. So the personalization part is where we leverage some of the messaging formats that global platform had written for trusted service manager. Mobile commerce has a very exciting space as we speak. So we see a lot of disruptions happening in, but ultimately the company that would innovate in terms of mobile payments, in terms of identification and verification, and in terms of newer ideas from a security perspective would be the one who would win.